Welcome to our project on Governor's Island with the lakefront of Winnipesaukee here. This is the original living space, and we're just going to add some wainscoting here to kind of bring a little more life into it. We also have a master bathroom refresh that we're doing, new floors and new vanity. But as we move into the living space here, we have a dining room, which we originally had a wall between the dining room and the kitchen area with built-ins, which we removed that to open up the space so that the dining room would be connected to a cocktail seating lounge area with a bar between the two doors. As you go further into the space, there were a few extra walls in this octagon area, which will now be a ladies' lounge. With some couches and a TV wall that we're putting on the lake side. We also have a mudroom here that we're framing in. There was an existing mudroom, which now we're going to split the laundry area up and bring that in this space as well with the powder room. Whereas the powder room was connected to the kitchen area before, now we're bringing it into the mudroom. Here we are in the mudroom. We had an existing laundry area and pantry in here, which is now going to be the powder room with a pocket door. There'll be wainscoting on the walls in the space. Coming out into the mudroom from the garage, there'll be a bench, coat hooks, and a built-in on the side. And then over here, there'll be another pocket door with a stackable washer and dryer, and there'll be a countertop with some shelves, and then in this corner here, there'll be a coat closet. Kitchen space is going to be stretched out and take up the space where the powder room was. We're adding a larger island in the space with a sink inlaid. Hardwood throughout the space. Thanks for checking out our project. Stay tuned for more updates.